Our recent project with NLMK introduced a cutting-edge CNC milling machine from DN Solutions, featuring a high-torque spindle and box guideways. This machine played a key factor in meeting diverse project requirements between us and NLMK, ensuring precision and efficiency in every task. The machine, coupled with custom-made fixtures and an intuitive GUI, revolutionized our approach to machining parts for tensile strength testing. These custom fixtures guarantee consistent, accurate results. The custom-made GUI developed by our application department offers multiple advantages for the end customer, simplifying machine programming and workpiece clamping control. Its customization options makes the entire operation more streamlined and responsive to the unique requirements. Machining is done in a two-step process, roughing and finishing, ensuring top-notch results. Corvin, one of our partners, contributed to the production of the custom fixtures. Our negotiations with NLMK and other partners drove innovation and resulted in an indispensable tool for machining parts destined for tensile strength testing. Do you have a project, and are you looking for a suitable partner?
Germond. Complex metal machining equipment.